Hey, how's it going? This is Game Mike with another Pokemon card opening. Today we're doing Charizard GX Hidden Fate Box Collection. We got the Jumbo card, the regular card GX, and 4 Hidden Fate packs. With that said, I'll be back and let me unbox it. Okay, I am back. Here's the GX, regular GX card promo. There we go. Put it back here. And then we got the GX Jumbo card and Charizard. There we go. Got your promo card right here for online. Get that free pack for online. Hope y'all get some good pulls online. Get 4 packs. This time we got 2 Mews. We'll start with a Mew. First, hit another Mew, and then Charizard. Start with this pack. Oops, sorry. Hit the camera. Hope y'all having a wonderful day, by the way. I'm having a wonderful day. Get some new Pokemon cards for y'all to see me open and showcase to y'all. Hope y'all liking every video that I make. If y'all are, please like and subscribe. Let's get it started. It's Fighting Energy, Chansey, Graveler, Divine XL, Coughing, Pokeball, Cubone, Geodude, Eevee, Reverse Hollow Jinx, and a regular rare. There we go. Let's start with the birds. Get the birds. Alright. Also, I would love to see what y'all get on these online codes. Also, just let me know down below which one's y'all favorite pull out of this video. Cool. We got Electric Energy, Brock's Grit, Burger's Trap, Misty City Gym, Psyduck, Charmander, Magikarp, Slowpoke, Clefairy, ooh, a shiny card, and a Mr. Mime for the rare. Not bad. Let me get my sleeve. Using the Hidden Fate sleeves. I will be trying to use every sleeve I can for the set if I got it. There we go. Put that right there so y'all can see that. Start with the get the 3rd pack to last. Get that Mew. There we go. Cool card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fire Energy, Brock's Grip, Cougar's Trap, Missy's City Gym, Geodude, Eevee, Clefairy, Caterpie, Ekans. Oh, a shiny full art. Nice. And a regular rare. Nice pulls. Not bad at all. Hopefully this last pack magic gives us a shiny Charizard. That's what I'm hoping for. Shiny Charizard is going for like 200, 300 bucks on the eBay. Just as it is. Good grade, I'm pretty sure it's like $500, $600, depending on what grade you get. But I'm not here to sell that card. I'm actually here just to collect it and pull it up for y'all, you know. There we go. We got a Water Energy, Strategy. Got the Pokemon Center Lady, Sabrina Suggestion, Paris, Charmander, Slowpoke, Psyduck, Pikachu, reverse hollow Butterfree, and a hollow rare Vaporeon. Not bad at all, not bad at all. Well, let's do a recap of what I got today. Not bad pulls, not bad at all. I got a Shining card. You got a Hollow Vaporeon, a Butterfree reverse hollow, Jinx reverse hollow. You got a GX, I don't know how to say that. I think it's Golisopod. Nice little card right there. Sorry about that clear right there. Trying to get that shininess so y'all can see it. There you go. And then we got the promo card. I think my favorite one has to be this one. I think everyone has to agree on that one. Or maybe the Vaporeon is your favorite. Let me know down below which one's your favorite. With that said, this is Gamer Mike with another Pokemon card opening. I hope y'all have a blessed and wonderful day. I'm out.